Good morning. You look fresh today. Did you wake up early?
Good morning. Yes, I woke up at 6 a.m. I wanted to start my day early.
Wow, that's nice. What do you usually do in the morning?
First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I do a little exercise for about 15 minutes.
That's healthy. Do you have breakfast after that?
Of course, I usually eat eggs and bread, and I drink tea. What about you?
I'm a bit lazy in the morning. I wake up at 7:30 and quickly get ready. Sometimes I skip breakfast.
Oh no, breakfast is important. You should try to eat something.
You're right. I'll try from tomorrow. What do you do after breakfast?
I go to work at 8:30. I stay there until 4 p.m.
That's a long day. Do you relax after work?
Yes, I usually watch TV or read a book. Sometimes I go out with friends.
That sounds fun. I like watching movies in the evening.
Nice. And what time do you go to bed?
Around 11 p.m. What about you?
I sleep at 10:30. Good sleep is very important.
That's true. Thanks for sharing your routine.
You're welcome. Let's try to have a healthy routine every day.